cabinets, all our stuff, and we got that, and then that, and then that. And cabinets across there, the soundboards across this. We've got a cabinet going in there. I don't think we have anything going here, which I don't know why my wife didn't do anything there. I would have done something there. Projector up here. And so then the cabinets, the sound, and then a microwave, and some other knick-knack things. And then projector there. So, and then Eric's down over here installing a plug. So he's got to cut out some sheetrock to install this plug. So we got this look right here. We got the same on these acoustic soundboards. And then the cabinet's all installed. We'll put the countertop on. My countertop company will come in and put that in, and then I'll finish my plumbing. So, and then they'll throw that away. That was here when we got here. But, oh, and once we get the size of the projector, then or the screen, then I'll know where to put this projector, and then I can run power to it. But until then, I'm not going to. And then there's the surround sound. So then that will just be plugged in there and then go behind the couch. So, and then Eric installed a plug in here. So you can see where we mudded. So we got to put that cover on and clean up all this crap. So I don't even know. Oh, there's the cover. Pink. So freaking used hot mud, but it's still, I can't sand that. So I'm going to have to just come back and sand that. But did that so that we could run an outlet over here. Boop. And so then they can plug in their pressure regulator. Even though they have a pressure regulator and a pressure regulator. So, but anyways. So, put that. And he said that was super fun. Trying to get it in there. So still need the countertop, but my countertop company black granite's gonna come and install that. So I don't know if I will probably get a picture of that, but told him about the light situation, that all the lights need to be fixed. Whoever installed it didn't do it correctly. So informed him of that. But there's your projector. Let's shut these doors, turn off this light, and there's all our stuff we got to clean up. But yeah, somebody else freaking like it's hard to shut. There you go. So let's turn it down. Ran an HDMI cable all the way in the ceiling and down. So the HDMI cable runs and then runs across here and then pops. And then we also ran power. So, but got it to fit perfectly on that.
Okay, so we're back here where we did the projector screen, projector, cabinets. Countertops got installed with the sink, so come in to finish everything. Got garbage disposal, P-trap, everything wired up. Ended up having to run another outlet for the microwave with the switch connected to the outlet for the disposal. But overall, this is what it looks like.